Hello, little learners! Welcome to meet adorables and learn their special names. Are you ready? Let's begin our baby animal adventure. Meet the dog. A baby dog is called a puppy. Dog, puppy, woof, woof. Meet the cat. A baby cat is called a kitten. Cat, kitten, meow, meow. Meet the cow. A baby cow is called a calf. Cow, calf, moo, moo. Meet the horse. A baby horse is called a foal. Horse, foal, neigh, neigh. Meet the chicken. A baby chicken is called a chick. Chicken, chick, cheep, cheep. Meet the duck. A baby duck is called a duckling. Duck, duckling, quack, quack. Quack, quack. Meet the sheep. A baby sheep is called a lamb. Sheep, lamb, ba, ba. Meet the goat. A baby goat is called a kid. Goat, kid, ma, ma. Meet the pig. A baby pig is called a piglet. Pig, piglet, oink, oink. Meet the lion. A baby lion is called a cub. Lion, cub, roar, roar. Meet the elephant. A baby elephant is called a calf. Elephant, calf, pow, pow. Meet the frog. A baby frog is called a tadpole. Frog, tadpole, ribbit, ribbit. Meet the kangaroo. A baby kangaroo is called a joey. Kangaroo, joey, boing, boing. Meet the deer. A baby deer is called a fawn. Clip, clop, clip, clop. Meet the bear. A baby bear is called a cub. Bear, cub. Meet the giraffe. A baby giraffe is called a calf. Giraffe, calf, munch, munch. Meet the owl. A baby owl is called an owlet. Owl, owlet, hoot, hoot. Meet the penguin. A baby penguin is called a chick. Penguin, chick, honk, honk. Meet the rabbit. A baby rabbit is called a kit. Kit, hop, hop.